Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enter traveler details in the Avelo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the book a flight button. So entering traveler details is a few steps away. So first you have to set the departure and then the destination city or country, and then you have to set if you want to go on a round trip or a one-way trip. In the case of one-way trip, you only need to select the departure date, and then you have to set the number of adults, children or infants traveling with you. And then if you have a promo code, you can apply that here, but then just click on the find flight button. And it's usually a couple of seconds until until the finds are here. But as you can see, for that specific day, there's only one available flight, so just click on that. And as you can see, here you will find all the available seats with different price ranges. So just choose the two most optional for you, and then click on the continue button. And now you can see the trip summary as well as the full price. And once the page is open, you have to set the both of the travelers' personal details. So first name, middle name, optionally of course, and the last name, date of birth. These are mandatory. And then of course you have to set if the person male or female. And then you have to give some contact information as well, so their email address, their zip code and their mobile phone. And next to those that you see a red like star, those are mandatory, probably because, as you can see, you will receive flight notifications via the contact that you are given. So that's that. And then there are some secure traveler info as well. There's a known traveler number and a address number. These are just optional. And there's also an option if you need any sort of help, like special assistance or wheelchair assistance, just click on the white circle next to them. And for example, in the case of wheelchair assistance, you have to specify the type of assistance you need. So just look for it in case you need them. And with the second traveler, it's basically the same. So once you filled everything, then you can click on the continue button to finalize your purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.